Not down the sink, but you gotta be outside.
Got a hole in it, as you can see.
There you go.
Old gross broken tank. New happy ASI radiator overflow with little, I don't know what you call it, I guess viewing hose so you can see the color and the level. Sweet new 6-speed shifter at low down.
Pencil.
Yeah, well, it's not on the car yet, so this is just for demonstration purposes only. But that is the low down mint shift knob from 6-speed and their black suede boot with mint and or teal stitching. Whatever you decide that color is. Seafoam green, it's all good. But yeah, shout out to 6-speed, and we got more stuff coming.
Bottle black plywood. This will actually look right.
We'll just pop the other knob on there real quick so we can just kind of see what it looks like.
Okay. Well, that's inside. Let me go get it.
Oh.
I like it.
They're still a little wet, that's why they're shiny, but we just cleaned them off. And we pulled this off because it works perfectly fine. I believe it's a Stillen Strut bar. It was just pretty grody. You know, it was like 25 years old. It had 25 years worth of grossness on it. So we sanded these down nice and smooth, cleaned off, and I don't know if you can see out there, but hanging from the tree out there, we've got the rest of the strut tower bar painted up in the base coat currently, and then we think we're going to do something funky with it. Like paint it Cosmochrome or something crazy. We are currently refurbishing our Stillen Strut Tower bar, and I'm just making it a little bit prettier than it was because it was gross. Right now we're just kind of getting all the rust and everything off so we can paint.
Hey YouTube, we broke it. The thing that's pointing at with the green liquid. Oh, there goes a truck. That's the roll call machine. This thing that I'm twisting a nut off of is the thermostat housing. We gave it one too many ugga-duggas. Therefore, it is now cracked. According to the internet, what you're supposed to do with this is give it about 15 pounds of pressure. That is too much. Well, according to the internet, don't do that. But that's what the book says. Internet says basically just snug it up and run gray RTV and it should be good to go. But anyways, ours was leaking for some reason after we just replaced the thermostat. So here I am ripping it all back off. Easiest way to do this is take the 3 bolts out of the power steering pump and then the one on top, remove the belt, and after that, what else did I take off? Oh, and I took off the intake piping just to buy myself some space, and literally it's right here. You do not have to take off the fan for this, which I did not know yesterday, and I took the fan off, and that's a pain in the ass to do, just FYI. But yeah, this is what we're doing right now, and this should be fixed within hopefully 24 hours. This is not how your thermostat is supposed to sit within your thermostat housing.
Oh, yikes.
It's supposed to sit like that and cover the hole.
Why for do it not fit?
It's supposed to fit, and it does fit, but whenever we were putting it on, it kind of just slipped down to right there. And now we have a cracked housing right there, if you can see, and it no work no more. It's broken. Alright, so we got all this apart. It was pretty simple now that I've already done this one time and I know what I'm doing now, sorta, I guess. But we took the thermostat and we glued it on in there with gray RTV. I'm gonna let that sit probably overnight, and I'm gonna go pick up the other thermostat housing here in a couple hours tomorrow, and Ben's gonna meet me back here. We'll make the rest of the video and put it back together, and hopefully it doesn't leak.